to become a part of business, spirituality and prosperity together. Spiritual aspirants have to become a soul, MESOULS, where ME stands for Millennium Evolution. For that, souls should study what I have spoken before through so many channels and varieties of other medias. Souls should know what is me power yoga in me space, wireless me space. To become a soul is so easy, and it is worthy to feel the love of God and God consciousness in ME spirituality. So many should know the specifications, highest 3 syllabus, specifications with which they can feel whether they want to join me unit space or not. Learn ME spirituality leisurely through continuous interactive proximity with ME. Here, me as a spiritual person, Nij Raj Yogic, a business spiritual leader and a philosopher. No dull life in ME spirituality. Energetic, creative, and with purpose, many move forward. Many have to implement the teachings in such a manner to feel their own spirituality getting awakened. It's a direct ways of one perceiving me too. Their 15 affirmations are essential. First affirmation is, I follow my own conscience and consciousness and the kingdom of MESOULS, NIJESS PATH. NIJESS is the horse name of Ykou ME. Second affirmation, I love Ykou MENONS Association and its highest syllabus. Third affirmation, I love Nij Raj Yogic life and Nij Yoga system of evolution, NYSE. Nice. Fourth affirmation, I am in the royal cluster, MENONS royal cluster, a millennium man's way of doing things through me space, highest 3 syllabus. There, many can feel the millennium man's cosmic yogic love space in it. Fifth affirmation, I have love towards the entire human species through my heart and soul. The sixth affirmation is, I am in the straightness. Straights right, straights left, and straight. It's reasonable, luxurious and royal. In the business waves especially. Seventh affirmation, I have my own highest frequency and the words of divine love, spiritual love, subjective love of God and God consciousness, cosmic realities, cosmos, OSS version. The eighth affirmation is, I do not betray anyone. I don't allow others to betray me too, because I am powerful, in tune with ME spirituality and cosmic realities of my presence in this planet as a super soul, supreme awareness of soulhoodness. Every soul can feel through one's own meditative life. Ninth affirmation, I am honest and sincere. I am creative and energetic. I create my destiny through my own power and ME spirituality. Tenth affirmation, I love yogis and yoginis, Nij Raj Yogis and Nij Raj Yoginis in me space, so that they can take the message of love and message of truth through yogic spirituality, Nij Raj Yogic life for them. The 11th affirmation is, I love God unconditionally and I love MESOULS unconditionally. Through our own get-together, souls gatherings. In unconditionality, there is no why, what, when, how, who, whose. That questions never arise when one feels the unconditional love towards the cosmic consciousness. Love the love. The 12th affirmation, I am globally universal, universally global, centering upon Nij Raj Yogic life under Nij Raj Yogic tree, cosmic tree of global menons and MESOULS and Navnija Urjas. I am universally strong with UNIQUEST leading space, me space for MESOULS. The 13th affirmation, I am a kingly soul, royal, emperor's version in it, to feel the ultimate ways of one perceiving one's own divine nature and spiritual culture of vegetarianism. Gods and God consciousness in it. Fourteenth affirmation, I am powerful. Through ME spirituality, me power yoga, no one has power over me except myself. That is essential for creating destiny, creator souls and co-creator souls. Creativity is life. In me you need space too. 15th affirmation, I am a divine super soul, cosmic soul that allows the originality of supreme awareness in tune with the expansiveness of the heart, cosmic heart, spiritual heart, perceiving the love light's energy, the the sunlight energy, the cosmic space energies to feel the love of spirituality for a new millennium, golden age. All these 15 affirmations will constitute that type of awareness of feeling the necessity of becoming a soul to get into a new millennium. To become a soul is easy. Expand the awareness of Sai Yoga. And soul should know what is same-minded, integrated, loving energies in me space for get-togetherness. Souls should know that they should co-create, co-organize, coordinate, co-captainize, in tune with the vision and mission of Nij Raj Yogic. So a collective engagements are necessary to feel the heart in it and the vision and the mission to embark on a Satya Yuga, PREM Yuga, or a truthful Yuga. For souls, unconditional attitude is essential. Unyielding nature to falsehood, unyielding attitude to wrong systems, unyielding attitude towards ugliness, unyielding attitude to wrong propaganda by so many wrong systems is also essential for me brand souls. Be firm and determined to tread the NIJESS path. NIJESS is the horse name of global menons. These are some points, different points, and the 9th point which I feel is acceptance of global menons and its vision and mission. These few words are spoken only for allowing souls to think about joining me unit space and for various spiritual activities connected with it. Highest syllabus, Tourism Royal. I am a Nij Raj Yogic, business spiritual leader and a philosopher. Nij Raj Yogic philosopher. I am here in this planet for you and me. UNIQUEST leading space. Thank you, universe.